scared.
I'm scared too.
I'm scared. No, I hands down, I'm scared to do that.
Scared team, we're staying here.
Hell yeah. It's idling and it's creeping for me. What's up?
That's cruise control.
That is cruise control. Are you gonna have to watch out?
I'm moving.
You better get that forehead. There you go.
Yeah, idle's underwater.
Yeah, just sitting all.
It's idling all by itself.
Sit. I trained it that way.
There's a couple homies pulling out. Boating around.
I got it.
Really? We get all the way here and y'all's cameras are dead?
No, his is, not mine.
Just stop moving.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to go out a little bit.
Stop. No punch problem.
What?
No punch problem out here.
I'm running you over.
Hold on, I'm moving.
Yeah, idle's underwater.
Hey, get that, because he's putting water on them.
The leaks?
When the lid's open, yeah.
I lost the other piece. Hey, I just saved your butt. What?
He lost the strap.
Hey, hold that. Go on, get that cord.
Oh shit.
I need a picture! Another picture.
I can't touch bottom. Oh wait, yeah I can. Fucking A.
Oh, big floater!
Hey, buddy. Hey.
I went reverse. That's what happened.
What about my four-wheeler, Adrian?
You gotta get him. He's floating.
Hey, push down on this.
Let's go help him real quick. Ready? Got it? That side, buddy. Yeah, all the way through.